We eat the spaghetti, man. And Christy eating spaghetti. And Christy eat that spaghetti. Hey, Nunu. It's good, Christian? Mm-mm. This boy eats spaghetti with both hands. Oh, I was hoping they would get back together. They used to talk when he was doing Charm. He was playing. You remember he was on the episode, Charm Cup episode. He was like a detective or something. Kristen, is it good? Is it good, Kristen? No, no. Hey, Kristen. 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 He said, I just want my spaghetti, Mama. Leave me alone. Wow, that big boy is eating spaghetti. He want every drop. Say bye-bye. 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 Kristen. Bye-bye.